you, welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. And as you can see on the screen, hotel location includes the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 8.6, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category 1. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Accommodation of the hotel is first class and guests love to enjoy the surrounding. One category of room is available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Some offers are available online for this hotel along with various returns and payment policy. If you are planning to book, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For the If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.